ever wondered how Iyengar bakeries, a Bangalore icon, got their start in late 1800s? It all began with an unlikely friendship with an Englishman. Our story takes us back to the warm streets of Bangalore in 1898, particularly to the lively Chickpet main road bustling with sounds of merchants and patrons. It is here that a chance meeting in a small sweet shop would alter the culinary landscape of the city forever. Thirumalachar, a local sweet seller, meets a regular Englishman customer who is fond of Indian sweets. It's believed that the Englishman used to work in the West End Hotel, which was at the Racecourse Road High Grounds. The West End Hotel in Bangalore was founded in the year 1887 by Mrs. Bronson, a British woman who initially established a modest 10-room boarding house for the English soldiers and officials. Mutual love for sweets between the Englishman and Thirumalachar blends into a unique friendship that would shape the future of baking in Bangalore. The Englishman was skilled at the art of European baking, and Thirumalachar quickly understood it, and he requests the Englishman to share the craft. Salpa helkodi. The Englishman began sharing his craft, and what follows is a period of transformation for Thirumalachar as he learns the secrets of bread making. His hands on, dedicated to traditional Indian sweets, now expertly shapes and thread and kneads dough into perfect loaves of bread. Embodied by his newfound skills, Thirumalachar takes a bold step and opens Bangalore Brothers Bakery, marking the beginning of the city's first Iyengar bakery. If you like this story, please subscribe to our channel and share it with all your friends.